maybe ni kitu kama mileage ilisaidia ndio nikaweza kupanda ile milima pia, lakini pia ilikuwa ngumu sana, haikuwa rahisi.
Tuke mag US Kids Local Tour notimore kawuono e boma ma Limuru. Kata kobedo ne piny ne ng'ich kendo otimo ng'wengo, jotugo maromo 150 noyuoro piem e tukego. E rang'iny mar jotugo mantiere bwo higni 14, Keide Mwisanji ema nobedo jaloch ka korka joma nyiri. Maria Nyambura ema nobedo jaloch gi points 89. Hena Shah notieko e thuolo mar 2 korka joma nyiri.
I would consider it not very good today, but I'm happy that I came first. Yeah, the weather today was not good. It was very foggy and I couldn't see anything, so I was just hitting and hoping for the best. No, I mean I hope to play like better, but I couldn't control the weather.
Okay, so I've been in school most of the time and I continued golf on Monday, and I'm happy that I won today. The competition today was kind of tough because of the fog and people are not even able to see in front, so it was kind of hard, but I still got a good score.